LG's next flagship will launch at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, which takes place at the end of February, while Samsung is reported to be hosting a separate event for the Galaxy S8 around the end of March, steering clear of the show. It's been claimed the S8 will hit shelf sale in April, while the G6 is said to be going on sale on 10th of March. The Samsung event is claimed to be 29th of March with an on-sale date of 21st of April, so the G6 could be available nearly 6 weeks before its South Korean rival. Leaks suggest the Samsung Galaxy S8 will feature an all-screen front with very slim bezels and no physical home button. It's not clear from the rumors if the metal and glass sandwich will remain intact for the S8, but expect a very premium build. The LG G6 is said to be ditching the modular design that arrived with 2016's G5. LG has confirmed its new flagship will feature full metal body, which is said to have a soft matte finish, and teasers suggest it will also offer water and dust proofing, which Samsung's S8 will also no doubt offer. The G6 is also said to be coming with a big screen and small body, suggesting both these flagships will be all about their screens. Both devices are said to be retaining the headphone jack, and both are also claimed to offer an iris scanner on the front. The two devices should also both have a rear fingerprint sensor on board, which although isn't a new position for LG, it will be for Samsung. The Samsung Galaxy S8 is rumored to be coming with a 5.8-inch display, alongside a Plus device that is rumored to sit at 6.2 inches. Resolution is also still an uncertain topic. Rumor has it Samsung will adopt a 4K resolution, like the Sony's Xperia Z5 Premium, while others have said it will retain a 2K display but that it will be better than the S7 for virtual reality. It is also thought to be curved like the S7 Edge, and it is likely to be Super AMOLED. The LG G6 on the other hand is confirmed to be coming with a 5.7-inch LCD display. It will offer a 2880 by 1440 Quad HD resolution for a pixel density of 564 ppi, along with an ultra-wide aspect ratio of 18:9. If Samsung opts for the 5.8-inch screen and a Quad HD resolution, it will be larger than LG's model but not sharper, with a pixel density of 506 ppi. Some reports have suggested Samsung's Galaxy S8 will have a dual rear camera comprising a 12-megapixel sensor and a 13-megapixel sensor, but there have also been reports of a 12-megapixel single rear dual-pixel camera with f1.7 aperture like the S7 and suggestions of a 30-megapixel sensor with OIS, so it's currently unclear what the S8 will feature. In terms of the front camera, rumors have included an 8-megapixel front-facing camera with autofocus, as well as a 9-megapixel front camera. There has also been talk of an iris scanner. LG has confirmed it will be retaining the dual-camera setup that worked so well for the company on the G5, but the resolution will increase, resulting in two 13-megapixel sensors, one of which will have a 125-degree wide-angle lens. Like the S8, there has been a suggestion of the front-facing camera also incorporating the rumored iris scanner, but we have yet to hear anything in terms of megapixels or features, only that it too will have a wide-angle lens. The Samsung Galaxy S8 is thought to be coming with either the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 chip, or the Exynos 8895 processor, which will presumably depend on region, as it did with the S7. There has also been talk of 4GB, 6GB and 8GB RAM, along with 64GB and 128GB storage options, both of which should have microSD. The LG G6 is said to be coming with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 821 chip in order to meet the earlier release. We'd expect at least 4GB of RAM and 32GB of storage with microSD, though rumors haven't detailed the hardware predictions for the LG device as yet. LG has confirmed the G6 will offer a quad DAC though. Both devices should offer USB Type-C, and we'd also hope to see wireless charging on both models. The S8 is said to be coming with either a 3000 mAh or 4200 mAh battery, but no reports have indicated what the G6 will offer. The Samsung Galaxy S8 and the LG G6 will both launch on Android Nougat, with each company's software skins over the top. At the moment, it is not clear what unique features each of these flagships will offer, though it has been confirmed that the Galaxy S8 will have its own personal assistant Viv on board, while the LG G6 is said to be coming with Google Assistant. LG has confirmed a metal body, larger display and higher resolution camera for the LG G6, as well as the software, but Samsung's S8 is all still hearsay, so it's difficult to tell which of these two devices offers the most promise. Both the LG G6 and the Samsung Galaxy S8 will likely offer premium designs featuring big screens and small bodies. Based on 2015's flagships from the two companies, we'd also expect great cameras on both the new models. It's also likely the G6 will be cheaper than the S8, but which device will offer the nicest design, the best display, or the most exciting features remains to be seen for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the latest updates. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.